Hello everyone, this is Rishabh here and you are watching Apna Ghar. Today we are looking at how to begin with competitive programming. Okay, to begin, start with Spoj. Spoj.com basically is a problem solving platform. Here you can just solve the problems on the basis of the number of users solve the problem. Here click users and there will be decreasing order of number of users solve the problem. Try starting from Love the Universe and Prime Generator and just move on to downwards. Okay, beside this site has for the beginner level it is a very good site to start with. Just try it out because it's have questions for maths, how to analyze math concept while doing competitive programming. Okay, start with it. It's a very good site. Okay, just have some patience because the problems are quite good, so it requires some time and effort from their side. Okay, so be patient. Secondly, if you are not able to solve something, just try this is a site called codechef.com. Codechef.com basically learn practice on by difficulty level, and these are the basically beginners. Try beginner level and try to solve the problems in order. If you are able to solve the problems easily, then just try to skip after 10-20 problems, try to skip with the easy. And the third thing which I would like to share is try a2j.com. a2j.com basically consists of problems from Codeforce. Codeforce is also a platform for competitive programming. a2oj.com help. What happened? A2oj. Oh, sorry, I am typing A20j. A2oj, and there is a ladder over here. Ladder basically, if you are start with this, if try difficulty 1 problems, if you try to solve easily, then go to easy. Try to solve 10 to 12 problems. If you are able to solve them easily, just go to div 2 and try to solve each of them. Okay, just one by one. If you are able to solve 10-12 problems easily and you are not stuck on them, just try to go on div 2, div 3 and try solving them. Okay, be on this ladder. If you are just a beginner, just try with it and just go on increasing on level. This is a much better for program because on your level there is a basically a ladder over here and you are able to solve these things. This is also hackerrank.com. Hackerrank.com basically, before starting with the computer programming, you must have a strong strong hold on any programming language. I must suggest you begin with C++. Try sign up over here and just try continuing practice of C++. I'm having a 5-star on this. You also can easily get the 5-star. Just try to solve the problems. Okay, if you are stuck at something, then just if you are stuck on the easy level, then your concepts are not clear. Okay, so try to make your concept as clear as possible. You can also try by clearing the concept by visiting the New Boston C++. It is a very good course of C++. You must try it out. Okay, if you are just try to learn C++, it is a very good course, and the concept the beginning concepts must be clear, so you can implement the problem easily on a Spoj, Codeforces, because starting the problems are all of implementations. Okay, there is nothing algorithms and some of these stuff will come later on. The different types of algorithms and different types of data structure will come out later on, but basically in the starting level there is an array and some implementation over here and there. Okay, just try to implement them easily. Okay, and there is also certification courses, so because in most of the colleges you need certifications at different point of time, and it's better that you must have certificates to show off your skills as well on the LinkedIn and various other platforms and on your CV. Just there are different types of different. I've got the certificate of problem solving basics. There are consist of 2 problems. I have solved one of them and got the certificate. There are different types of, in whichever domain you wish to apply for the certification, you get the certification over here. Okay, Just try to be. Okay. And this, just try to solve as many. Be in the initial phase of time, be patient enough to solve the problems. Okay, just try to become the whole 5-star quote unquote chef, or you got the rating of around 2000 or 2500 on quote forces at the starting set. That's not possible. Just give some time, because most of the programmers need around 2 to 2.5 years to get on the search level. Okay, that's all for today. And if you like the video, stick the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.